Hey guys, BrickQueen back here again, and it is time for us to open up day number 5 of the Lego City Advent Calendar. I'm probably way too excited to do this, but I've kind of been having fun with the Lego City calendar this year. And day number 5 is an airplane. Bob's blue airplane. Because we have no other figures yet, so everything belongs to Bob, the stingy Lego guy. Almost lost the pieces there. Ah, get out of my way. Bad plastic baggie. Okay. Let's just start from the bottom, shall we? With wheels. Okay, which direction? This way. The plane goes this way. Okay. Okay. And let's see. Let's go ahead and put this together real quick. And attach that on the front there. Oh, actually we're supposed to have these little gray pieces in between here. Have little connectors for the wings. Would make sense. Does make it a little bit more sturdy that way. So there's our little airplane. It's kind of a cool little mini build actually. But that is Bob's airplane, so we're going to put it over here with Bob. So anyway, that was day number 5. Stay tuned to see what else we have in the Lego City Advent Calendar.